The Ulefone Note 16 Pro is a new smartphone with a sleek design, a decent set of specifications, and a very cheap price. In this video, we'll explore its top features and specs as well as its price. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So let's quickly dig into it. So the Note 16 Pro is 8.7mm thick and it weighs 164.8 grams, which means the device is very slim and lightweight. It comes in three colors: meteorite black, serenity blue, and midnight violet. The phone boasts a 6.52-inch HD+ IPS LCD teardrop display, which is reasonably large. The resolution may not be full HD+, but it should be able to provide a decent viewing experience for users. The Note 16 Pro is powered by the Unisoc T606 SoC, the same chip that powers the Humidity G3 series. This chip is capable of handling lightweight tasks, including making phone calls, browsing, etc. You definitely do not want to use this phone for intense tasks, such as playing high demanding games available on Android. The phone comes with 8GB of RAM, which is a decent amount, and it supports virtual RAM expansion. The phone also features 128GB of internal storage that can be expanded up to 256GB via an SD card. The Note 16 Pro runs on the latest version of Android. It should be able to provide users with a smooth and modern user experience. Let's talk about cameras. So the device features a dual rear camera setup, including a 50MP primary camera and a 2MP macro lens. The front-facing camera is 8MP, which should be adequate for selfies and video calls. The battery capacity of the Note 16 Pro is 4400 mAh. A decent size. It should be able to last a day, especially because this device is a budget phone, so it's almost impossible to use this device for intense tasks. So the battery should be able to last a day, and I think this device supports 10 watts charging. It's not mentioned, that's why I'm just speculating here, but I believe the device supports 10 watts charging. Not very fast, but the battery is also not very large, so the 10 watts charger should be able to charge the 400 mAh battery at a reasonable speed. Other features of the Note 16 Pro includes a 3.5mm headphone jack. It is also splash proof, which means it could be able to withstand some light rain or accidental splashes. It also includes a side mounted fingerprint scanner and face unlock. So these are the top specs and features of the Note 16 Pro. In my opinion, it is a decent budget phone that offers some impressive features for its price point. So this is my opinion, but I would also like to hear your thoughts. Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.